It's been a great honor to be out here. There's only one place I'd rather be, French Lick.
Hi, my name's Larry Bird, former world champion with the Boston Celtics and NBA MVP. I had a great career, and I will cherish all the memories basketball has given me, but as you know, Bird is a word, so I'm no longer involved in basketball.
Well, I was born in a small town, and I live in a small town.
After stepping down from my position with the Pacers recently, I wanted to start a new chapter in my life that involved my greatest God-given talent, my voice. But what could I, Larry Bird, do to showcase my voice and make a little cheddar at the same time?
Well, I was born in a small town.
Then I remembered my one true love, the auction. I would skip basketball practice whenever I could get away with it to go watch the cattle auction outside of French Lick. If it wasn't for my dad making me play ball, I would have been at that auction every damn day. I've assembled some raw talent and formed a bird's IQ, Auctioneers.
$20 money bidder, would you get 25? Would you go 25? Would you bid 25? Would you get 25 for it?
I got a $50 money bidder. Would you give 75? Would you go 75? Would you bid 75? Would you give 75 for it?
Are there any birds? We've got a $50 money bidder. Would you give 75? Would you go 75? Would you bid 75? Would you give 75 for it?
Our team will perform most types of auctions, including cattle, auto, estate, silent, beaver, fast, French, night, cadaver, theme, and many more. So you need to sell a shaved beaver or land out in Timbuktu. Call the friendly group of auctioneers at a bird's IQ.